Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix runtime error r6034 in Windows 11 or 10. So click on start, search here CMD, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here type this command line sfc space / scan now and press enter. Now complete this scanning. Guys, it will take couple of minutes, and once this complete up to 100%, type this second command line dism space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health. So first one this command line and second one this one. Press enter. Now scan completely this second command, and once this complete and finish up to 100%, close and restart your system. So hopefully guys, using these simple steps we can fix runtime error. Thanks for watching.